So as the video plays of the actual ride footage, I just kind of wanted to go over the bike a little bit. And honestly, this bike has been absolutely terrific. I've been having a blast with it. All the parts I picked to replace on this bike has just been extraordinary for me. I think it rides terrific. I love the feel of it. Up front, I have the Marzocchi Bomber Z2 with a very cool Galaxy stickered decal, and it's a STIKRD. And you can go to their website and email them to design your own if you'd like. And I'm so stoked with how those turned out. And of course, with the gray, purple, black look, almost like a Galaxy look. And I've been so excited just over how this has all turned out. I have a personalized Chicken Cindy's grips by ODI up here. I have a very nice nuke-proof purple stem. I'm running a little one-up tool up in the actual steerer tube. As usual, P&W dropper post with the purple ring on the loam dropper. I love the loam droppers. Running a Dior drivetrain, and that is the original drivetrain that came with this bike. So the wheels are original, the tires are original, the drivetrain is all original as well. I did change the brakes, I have changed the pedals, changed the rear shock, changed the front fork, handlebars, all that pretty well have been changed as well. So as many of you know, I had a bang for buck bike build going on, and the frame got ruined, and that's what this Mythique turned into. So I did not anticipate on buying this Mythique to upgrade like this, but I knew for the price it was a terrific deal, and I also knew that all the parts that were on it I could use for other builds, and that's what I did with them. So if you have any questions over this Vitus Mythique, please let me know. But other than that, this thing is absolutely a monster. It is so much fun. I've taken it to Shepherd Mountain Bike Park down there, which is a downhill park with shuttle access. I've taken it to Griffin, local trails, and I mean, for where this suspension is, it's absolutely perfect. It's not too much, it's not enough. So, but no, please, any questions, put them down in the comments. But other than that, this Vitus is a terrific bike, and I've been so very thrilled with how it performs.
Taking this kind of easier than I usually do. I got off a 24-hour shift this morning and kind of feeling it. Whew. But man, it's still fun. Woo! Wow!